To extract audio from video, you want to come into the stores where you download your app from. Me, I'm on Play Store, and you want to search for VTM converter. All these searches will come up, and you want to pick this one from InShot that says video to audio MP3 cutter. Let's open that. I have it installed already in my phone. I'm just going to open it. Once it opens, you want to click on video to audio here. I'll click on that. Add play in the app, so you want to wait for that to play. And once you have that, you want to find the video where you have it stored in your phone. If you have it in a folder, you can go to folder, but I have mine handy here. I'm going to click on the video here. You can change the name of the audio from here if you want to rename it something different from the video. From here, the format I usually leave mine on is on MP3. That is my standard format, but you have all this formats you can change it to the WAV, AAC, which is the default. It will be on when you start using the app, but I leave mine in MP3 because that works for me. And every other settings I'm going to leave as is, and I'll click on enter. I'll go back a bit. From here, I'm going to click on convert. You see my audio conversion is happening. It's converting the video into an audio. You can also leave it on background convert. Once that happens, you can find it where you store your audio in your phone.